Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2017 Honda Africa Twin, 1000cc dual clutch transmission with ABS brakes, heated grips, bark busters, Honda touring luggage, a Terminioni exhaust system. This bike is in fantastic condition, 22,000 miles. Come on by, make your adventure touring dreams come true for just $10,499 with this automatic transmission, ABS brakes, adventure touring machine. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.